If you are having trouble accessing your American Express account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the American Express website. Go to the official American Express website. Look for the login section and click on it to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot User ID or Password. On the login page, find the option that says Forgot User ID or Password. Click on this link to start the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your personal information such as your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Fill in the required fields accurately. Step 4. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you cannot receive verification codes, look for an option to use an alternative recovery method. This may include answering security questions or receiving a recovery link via email. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided. Once you select an alternative method, follow the instructions provided to reset your password or recover your account. Make sure to create a new password that is strong and secure. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider contacting American Express customer service for further assistance. They can help you regain access to your account.